Hi, Jasio here, and today we're going to do the Cartesian diver experiment. For this one, you're going to need a plastic water bottle. The bigger the better, so if you have a soda bottle, liter bottle, that would be probably better, and a dropper. You could also use a ketchup packet or hot sauce packet or something similar like that, and I'll explain why they work afterwards. This little dropper, or ketchup packet if you have it, will be our Cartesian diver. Here's what we're going to do. This water bottle is filled up pretty much to the top. And I'm going to fill this dropper up with enough water so that it barely floats at the surface of the bottle. Any more and it would sink. Looks like there's way too much water in this. That's okay. Science can be messy. I'm going to need a little bit more water though. That's good enough. So I'm going to close this bottle. You can see the dropper is floating at the top of the bottle. There it is up there. You can see it by the little black squeezing part. Now watch what happens to it when I squeeze this bottle. And then when I let go, squeeze, it goes down, release, it floats right back up. So I don't know if you can see right here, look at this little bubble at the top that's inside of the dropper. When I'm squeezing the bottle, I'm pushing water into the dropper so that now it has more water and now it sinks. And when I release, that water goes back out. So that's what's happening here. I'm forcing water into the dropper. I'm making that air bubble smaller. The dropper is now heavier, it's more dense, and now it's going to sink to the bottom and then back up. And again, if you have a, let's say a plastic liter sized bottle, the effect will be more dramatic. Your dropper will have more space to go up and down. But for demonstration purposes, this little plastic bottle works okay. And that is the Cartesian diver experiment.